Hi everyone, just popped on. Ollie's poorly, so we won't be on for a few days, maybe a week. If you wait to the end, I'll tell you what's wrong with him. But I'm going to do a bit of question and answer time. We've had a few questions through email, and I thought I'd answer them. So here goes. Number one. This one, right? They want to know why I was laughing when Ollie fell. Well, if you watch the video, you'll understand why. Because Ollie's a smarty. He really is. In our relationship, we banter off each other. Our family and friends says we're like the couple in the shop on Father Ted. So, but that's all it is. Honestly, that's another question that was there. So I'm answering two there. We have an amazing relationship. We're both best friends. So, yeah, that's the way we are. And, well, when you ask people, do you argue? Well, we can truly say that we've never had an argument in the 8-year relationship we've had. Simply because if there's something that is annoying us and is making us cross, yeah, we'll mention it. And then what we'll do is we'll walk away to say that, so that we respect each other's opinions. And we come back when we're calmer. I'm not saying we don't get angry. We do, but we walk away and then come back when we're calmer, and then we give our opinions. We may not agree, but we respect each other enough to, okay, that's your opinion, and that's okay. I have my opinion. What else I'm trying to think. I should have wrote them down, shouldn't I? Oh my God, it was something else. Look, I'll come across that in another question time. So if you want to ask us a question, you can either leave a comment or you can email us. The email address is below, and while I'm on about what's below, subscribe if you would, leave a comment and a like. Try and watch our videos all the way through, because we have a laugh and we give out some information. You can also contact us on our Instagram, our TikTok and our Facebook pages, and our emails. All the links are in between. And you can take a look at our website. Again, link in between. So what's the next question? Some people have asked me that they don't understand when I say I can't read and speak. And it's true. I can't read something and tell you what I'm reading. I can read, and as you've noticed, I can speak, but I can't do the two together. Got a little piece in my brain that doesn't work properly, and that's okay. And how can I describe it? When words don't come out right? And this is what happens. My brain is saying the word, but sending it to my mouth, it doesn't work. It just doesn't work. So I ain't embarrassed about it. Like I was saying, it's quite funny really. And as a family and friends who know me, sometimes it's like, here we go, words, charades. Okay, so don't worry about it. I'm not. Just accept me for the way I am. What was the next questions? Oh my goodness. I can't think. Do I enjoy doing the cooking? Yes, I do. I really do. I love to cook. They're not difficult ones, and I've adapted some so that I can do them in the van. And try and use maybe one pot, but two if it's necessary. I haven't got a lot of workspace, so Ollie made me this slide out one so I can use that. But I do enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be doing many more if you like. I'll most probably be doing one over the weekend because, like I say, we're not going anywhere, and probably put it up on Monday because I'm getting better at the editing, but I'm not quite there. What else? Right, the other one's about the dogs. Yeah, we take the dogs with us most time. Other than that, my son looks after them. We're going to start showing them a bit more, but you know, Fergie, the old girl, she's 14. There'll be less of her because, like I say, she is 14 and she rests a lot. Then there's Bruno. What can I say about Bruno? He's as crazy as a bunch of cats in a bag. Oh, he's really nice pups, and well, yeah, I call him me pups because of the old girl. He's really lovely and loving. When he sees people, he's just sort of like, love me, love me, love me. So almost getting there about stopping him from jumping up because, you know, people don't like it or they may be scared. So getting there. He's good on recall. You can actually let him off his lead and good on recall. But there's other things he's been taught, and when you teach him ever so good, then he forgets. Yeah, he forgets. And he constantly wants petting. You know, he's an unusual dog. He actually loves to be brushed, which is calming for him. And God, does he need calming down. So, yeah, we're going to start showing them a bit more because they're gorgeous dogs and they're my babies. But, yeah, that's about our dogs. So we will be showing them a bit more. What else was it? I can't think. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you about Ollie's illness. On Tuesday evening, Ollie doesn't do sick. To get Ollie to the doctors, you've almost got to handcuff him and shove him in the car. He hates it. And to be truthful, he'd rather be working and working off. He might chill, you know, rest up for a day, but that's it. Well, Tuesday night was, early hours of Wednesday morning. It was about 3 o'clock. He's come into the bedroom. He's white, but also looking grey. And he's got his hand on his chest and he says to me, Joyce, ring an ambulance. I think I'm having a heart attack. So, of course, straight into nurse but panic mode. Got him down, sat down, rang the ambulance. Rang 999 and spoke to the dispatch lady, who was absolutely adorable. She did give me her name, but mentally I wasn't right. So the quick response medic came. Oh, I'll tell you why, because we actually live about 30 miles away from a hospital. So they sent the quick response because it's, the ambulance is going to take longer. See, I told you. So he arrived, lovely chap, and he done a heart trace, and he said, your heart is perfectly fine. He said, but I'm going to do it again, he said, because, he looked grey, looked white. He said, I can see there's something wrong. So he done another trace, and there was a rash on Ollie's chest and also on his back. But Ollie suffers with psoriasis, so presumed it was that. And he looked at it, and the one on the back was quite big. It was bigger than usual. So I think it was about 8 by 4 inches high. So 8 long, 4 inches high. So he looked at it, and then the ambulance crew come, and they were all there discussing it. And he says, that's shingles. And he was showing the ambulance crew, and they agreed with it. It was shingles. And he said, when did this rash appear? And it was about 9 o'clock the previous evening. He hadn't been himself. He'd actually taken a day of rest. So I knew he wasn't good. But he looked awful, absolutely awful. He was clammy, the whole lot. And Ollie, he cut his fingers off and then stood there laughing with the ambulance crew about, I'll let him tell you about it, because it's, in its own way, it's quite funny. But yeah, so they all agreed, and we were just so apologetic. We didn't know. We honestly didn't know. I've never seen shingles before. Ollie's never seen, and he couldn't understand this pain. So the medic explained to him, he said, you got a nasty case of shingles. It's sort of in the middle of your chest and the same at the back. Oh yeah, he was getting pains going down his arm, and he had a patch just on his arm and underneath. And he says, it's going down. He says, I'm a medic. And he says, I've been doing this for years. He said, and if I had it in the places you've got it, he said, I'd think I'm having a heart attack. He said, so don't worry about it. It's very painful. So he says, what I want you to do is, in the doctor, go in the morning, go see a doctor, and he'll give you an antiviral. So he'd done that, and Ollie is in so much pain. He really is. He takes the tablets, the doctor give him strong painkillers. Ollie doesn't do sickness, and he definitely doesn't do pain. Do you know what I mean? He just doesn't. And listen, he seriously broke his leg, had it in a bar. They done the operation in the morning, and then the following morning he was off to Spain. So that's Ollie. But no, it's really, really knocked him off his feet. And to tell you the truth, I haven't been able to rest at night because he's getting bouts of pain, and then it gets hot. So I can't rest. So we're both tired. But Ollie's got pain, and he's not feeling right. He really isn't. And if you've seen him, you would see why. Ollie is, when Ollie's arrived. Everybody loves Ollie. He's kind, he's funny. And like, my kids have been to see him, and they don't like it neither, because they want the larger than life Ollie. So hopefully it'll start to ease in the next few days. But we were told that the rash could take, I think it was 4 to 5 weeks, and the rash gets very hot and very uncomfortable. So we got some cream for that. And the pain can go on for weeks, months, and I was told even years. So, the poor creator really is. Never seen him like it. So I thought I'd get on here and have a chat. And like I said, over the weekend, I'm hoping to do a food video. So, comments, if you've got any comments of any type, if you don't want to write them on YouTube, send them in an email. But it would be great if you could do them on YouTube. Just communicate with us, because it helps our channel. Watch our full videos, because there are some seriously funny bits in it. And give it a chance. Now, I'm going to go, because Ollie's due his medication. So I'll go in and give him that, because he's asleep at the moment. But I've got to wake him up. So catch you hopefully Saturday or Sunday, and with a nice meal, and we should be soon on our travels again. So you take care now. Bye.